Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Type c : and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec / fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows / system32 / config / regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space / exports space c : / bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Type attrib c : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.